Excellency, Samia Suluhu Hassan, President of the United Republic of Tanzania, senior officials from Tanzania and Rwanda, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Mheshimiwa Rais Samia Suluhu Hassan, nimefurahi sana kwamba umeweza leo hata na kesho bado tuko pamoja. Tunafurahi sana kwamba umetutembelea na Wanyarwanda wote wamefurahia kukuona. Nataka nirudie tena, karibuni sana. Your visit here, Madam President, my sister, builds on the long-standing friendship and historical ties between our two countries and our people. Tanzania and Rwanda converge on many things, including culture, language, and trade. Our people you saw earlier were trying to speak Swahili. I think there is good progress being made. And our government decided even to start teaching Swahili in schools. And so, Mheshimiwa Rais, naomba utatupa msaada wa kutupatia wakufunzi na wengine wa kutufundisha Kiswahili. We like it, we enjoy it, we love it. So let's, and it brings people together. Especially the people of East Africa. More importantly, President, we share the desire for rapid progress and socio-economic transformation. We also want to continue working together to advance the East African community and deepen regional as well as continental integration. Eastern Africa has long been a prosperous gateway to our continent. The opportunities are immense, and the people of our countries have the talent and drive to succeed. Our responsibility, therefore, is to facilitate and invest in these opportunities so that together we can ensure the stability and well-being of our people and our region. Tunakushukuru sana Mheshimiwa Rais, na tumefurahia ziara yako kwetu Rwanda. Karibu tena na ujisikie nyumbani. May I now ask you all to raise your glass and join me in a toast to the health of Her Excellency President Samia Suluhu Hassan and the friendship between Tanzania and Rwanda. Asanteni sana.
This is the end of the inspection. May I have your permission to carry out the guard of honor, Excellency?